My hardwood floors are not dirty. Yep, we done hardwood floors today. And that's the water to come off of the hardwood floors. So, and these were in super great shape, looked good. Still had that much dirt on the floor. So, got hardwood floors, give old Mech a call. They'll send Don out. He'll get them looking good, sparkly clean. Alright guys, 513-817-1700, olmecreflections.com, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, I don't know what Instagram is. Okay, well, yeah, we got all the social media stuff, so give us a call. We'll get you squared away. Dirty water dump from hardwood floor cleaning today. Alright, see y'all later.